Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited announced its operational and financial performance for the fourth quarter. Asha Azad Productions' 4th film got nominated for 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival. Celebrate International Day of Families with Almonds. Lead Squad partner with Savix and Technology to expand its business footprint. Gurmeet Chaudhary gears up to take care of the future healthcare system of the nation by launching #The Grand Hospital Project Pan India. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, that is APSEZ, the largest transport utility in India and a part of the diversified Adani Group, announced its operational and financial performance for the fourth quarter and year ended 31st March 2021. Mr. Karan Adani, Chief Executive Officer and whole-time Director of APSEZ, said, "Financial year 21 has been a transformational year for APSEZ. Some of the key decisions we took this year have set the foundation of the coming decade. Highlight of the results are as follows. Handled a cargo volume of 247 MMT, registering a growth of 11%. Container volume at 7.2 million TEUs, market share improves by 5% to 41%. Total revenue at Rs 12,550 crore, a growth of 6%. Total EBITDA at Rs 8,063 crore registers a growth of 7%. PBT at Rs 6,292 crore, up to 48%, and PAT at Rs 549 crore, up to 33%. Registered fresh cash flow of Rs 5,800 crore at a growth of 47%. Net debt of EBITDA improves to 3.3 times in March 21 compared to 3.4 times in September 20. Next up is Suvir Bambani's 2 films, Dad, David and Denny and Chotu, both see light at the 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival 21. Both the films have been nominated at this prestigious film festival under the Best Short Film category. Alongside these 2 films directed by Suvir Bambani, 2 other films, You Changed Me and Suta, the Daughter, have also been selected for 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival 21 that have been produced by Asha Azad Film. Asha Azad Film, for a sure, proving to be a production house that creates meaningful cinema. We wish this talented team a very good luck. Next up is, every year May 15 is observed as International Day of Families. The day celebrates the importance of families and aims to raise awareness of issues relating to family. The theme this year for the day has been kept as what the impact of new technologies has been on the well-being of family. Through the last year, technology has been a blessing and a ban. While it has reduced the proximity between families and friends across the globe, there has also been overconsumption and over-reliance on it. On the account of International Day of Families, we need to contribute to better health and well-being for our families and ourselves and take charge of everyone's health by incorporating small yet impactful changes to our lifestyle. So by taking nuts like almonds are a source of 15 nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, protein, riboflavin, zinc, etc. Beyond this, almonds are known to provide several health benefits. This International Day of Families celebrate the joy of togetherness while taking a pledge to be healthier with almonds. Next up is Lead Squad, a Bangalore-based SaaS platform known for delivering high-velocity sales with its solution sales executive CRM, marketing automation and field force solution, announced its partnership with Savix Technologies Private Limited. The partnership aims to leverage Savix large customers network and Lead Squad sell automation capabilities to help SMB and mid-market businesses realize their full digital transformation potential. Ronak Jagasia, Director Enterprise Business and Alliance at Savix Technologies Private Limited, feels glad to collaborate with Lead Squad, the leading cloud-based CRM application provider, with best marketing automation in one powerful platform. Next up is, in the last few months, Gurmeet Chaudhary has been hailed as a hero, as a survivor as an inspiration and many other such laureates. However, what he really is a human being trying to do good for all Indian citizens in order to fight the mammoth COVID-19 second outbreak that the country is facing with, and at the same time gearing up for future healthcare system. From arranging ICU beds with ventilators to getting oxygen aid for those in critical condition to procuring remdesivir and saving lives, including that of a pregnant lady amongst many others. Gurmeet and his team have worked effortlessly, tirelessly and relentlessly over the last few weeks. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.